Hello everyone, and thank you for joining us on Around the Home. Well guys, my backyard's been decimated through the fall and the winter and stuff like that. Between a little bit of a drought and the dogs just being really rough on it, you can see not much is left. So this is a little garden weasel hand cultivator thing that I had left over. I took a piece of PVC pipe, replaced the old broken handle, and it did the job alright, getting the ground soil roughed up. Now this is Southwest Missouri, so as you can see with all the rocks here, our soil is really rocks with a little bit of clay dirt in between. So I got some bags of topsoil here, which almost look more like potting soil. I always thought topsoil should be more like, brown dirt, but anyways. It's kind of like filling this in to get the rocks kind of filled in and get some grass growing here by the patio. The dogs love hanging out. This is awesome. So, of course, they're the ones who created most of the problem in the first place. So they should be helping. So, I don't know, stamping tools seem to be the right thing to use here. Get that kind of, pressed down a little bit so it's not super fluffy. And then I got the seed spreader going on here. Now this isn't a broadcast one. This one just drops the seeds straight down. Not only was it on clearance, but it seemed like the better choice to get, so I'm not throwing it into the flower gardens. And the straw, just taking some standard straw, you can get it farm supplies or Lowe's or whatnot to help hold the seeds in place and protect the little baby seeds. Or the little grass from the seedlings and stuff like that coming up, and maybe from being washed away in the rains. Dogs, of course, trying to eat all the straw they can, rolling in it and whatnot. But yeah, it's been working pretty good. And then I got these flat watering hoses here. You'll see in just a second, so you can kind of like line them all around your yard, and they're just like sprinkling hoses. So I wasn't sure about them, but been using them a little bit and I really like them. I can put the water right where I want it and not where I want it not to be. Yeah, if that made sense. Anyways, the dogs are liking it. Grass is starting to come in. Guys, thanks so much for watching.